We bought the cheapest Subaru Impreza WRX in the UK. The only problem is, it's shag. This car's got a horrendous knocking noise. We're going to replace all the coilovers and I ain't got a Scooby. Come with me on a magical mystery tour. Wheels, gash, rust, honking, rear bumper, bumpy, bonnet, broken. It's a bit rusty inside and it bloody stinks. Some shit that's not supposed to be there. The lights are cracked and the coilovers need replacing, which is what we're going to do now. Stick with us as we turn this into the best example of a Scooby in the UK. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please like and subscribe now. Turn on push notifications because all of your support means the world to us. We want to be the biggest car channel on YouTube, and we bloody well will be. No. Mate, that is naughty. Woo! Cheeky boy! Right, so we've got it up now. We're not going to bore you by showing you how we put it in the air, but we're using the legendary QuickJacks. These are awesome. You just attach them to a car battery and they take the whole thing up and down. It's like having a mobile ramp. And now all we're going to do is we're going to get the wheel off and we're going to go for the front quarter, front offside quarter, as you all know very well. So, get this wheel off. Oh. I don't know why, you know me by now, I can't fucking do anything seriously. I don't think you can even get these toolkits anymore, they're bloody awesome. It's like Halford's Extreme, or it's like General Halford's, but it's got everything. The only problem is it goes bloody everywhere. Oh mate, that makes light work of that. What are you dick? Fucking Jesus! I hope all this goes back on. Just, the thing is, right, what we're trying to show here is how achievable stuff. I haven't done it yet, but I'm trying to prove that anyone can work on a car. I mean, I could do brakes and calipers. I act the fool. There's things I can do. I can honestly say I've never done this before. I did watch a little YouTube video by a company called Raceland. And yeah, we'll see. Nice. One off. So I'll try and keep these all reasonably together. Because a tidy mechanic is a happy mechanic. Christ! We've taken off the brake hose, the brake line. We took off the brake sensor, which is this one here. And now all I've done is taken off the nuts from the main strut, which is on the coilover. And I mean, this now, as you can see, is free. Right, Corey, you're not required. No, joke, mate. You are definitely required. He'll have something to say about this. So now we're going to get up onto the top mounts. Oh, cheeky boy. 1, 2, 3. These bolts need to come out. Oh, they might need to come off as well, actually, because for the camber. Oh, that's on the strut, isn't it? Sound. We just take these 3 bolts out. I thought of one thing. I should probably get my ones out and check they fit. You call that a knife? That's not a knife. This is a knife, mate. Okay, so this is quite exciting, actually. These look. Woo! Look at them, mate. They look nice, don't they? They look bloody lovely. If you're anything like me, you'd think the front is the longest, but apparently that's not right. I thought I had the wrong ones, but these shorter ones are for the front where the camber is, and the rear ones didn't have these brackets, and these go for the brake lines and the brake sensor. So now that we've got them, it should be good to go. Here we go. Hey! Oh, that's wrong. That's right. Look there. Yes. Oh, look. Mate, mechanics and shit. Got my hand. That's the first coilover on. We're going to do the other side now. We won't bore you with it. Then we'll head to the rear set. Time to change the rears. So now we're just undoing the bolts on the seats that are just tucked in behind. Oh no, you're not going to look then. All right, so just in here. So now, in here.
And you can adjust the camber. Remove the 3 nuts holding the strut top mount to the shock tower. The strut will be free to be removed from the vehicle. Place the raceline coil.
There they are. Right, so I'm just going to try and break this. Having a bit of a pain in the arse at the moment. So I'm doing it the old-fashioned way. I'm going to do that. This is proving to be slightly more difficult than we thought. Shit. Oh dear Jack, what's going on my friend? So now, as you can see, we've had a bit of a fight with this bit, with the bolts that are holding in the coilovers, but we've got them off. Because the gun's quite big, it's hard, you can't do it all with the gun because it hits against there. So we go with manual labour. Heat now. This bolt's rounded off in shared. I don't know why I said it like that. But he is really stuck in there, so we're going to try and apply a bit of heat, see if we can get it off. Oh, goodness sake. Probably what, about an hour? Oh, that'll be why. It's absolutely shagged. So we had to blow torch it, screw it, unscrew it, you name it, we've tried it, and in the end we just beat the shit out of it. If in doubt, give it a clout. Shitty death, mate. That one, I reckon that could be something that ain't supposed to look like that, would you say? That wasn't fun. There's a hell of a difference between the old and the new. That rhymes. Compare the two. Hell of a difference between the old and the new. Mary Poppins shit. I was in Mary Poppins Returns. I wasn't in it, but I was in the credits. 10 points if anyone can go into Mary Poppins Returns and see what my job was on it. Comment below. You can see, like, you'll see through the video for the second half, morale has dropped significantly, but we're on the mend. Last few tightens. Oh, here we go. Now we've got to see if we can actually get one in out. So I managed to get that last little bolt out, which was a real pain. We used a fair bit of brute force. We've put one back in, and the one that was stubborn, I'm going to have to buy a new one now, so we're going to wait on that. However, you get the gist. The coilover is in. I've got one more side to do, which I don't need to bore you with, and then it'll be wheels on and rag the shit out of it in a few weeks when it's had an MOT and insured. Guys, I'm really excited about this project. It's going to be something fun for me to do, something to help me learn some mechanical skills. So keep watching, and I look forward to showing you the progress of the Scooby.